get started. We are 10 minutes away from the non-farm payroll, and here's the thing we need to watch out for. Non-farm payroll, unemployment rate, average hourly earnings. All this in 10 minutes. Looks like the prediction forecast is going to be almost the exact same thing as last time. However, the new numbers came out. Definitely going to be something wild for sure. I am aiming for the number to be much higher, and then that will set the price of gold skyrocketed. But sorry, if the non-farm employment change is higher, then the price of gold will drop hard. So that's what I'm aiming for. And employment rate, same thing. If the price is low, if the actual is lower than forecast, then it will drop the price of gold really hard right now. But no matter what it is, we are going to play it after the news, because right now, even though it looked good for a sell right after the break here, change of character, I am still not 100% yet. And today, it's gonna be the day that, you know what, you don't need to hurry at all, because it has been sideways for so long. For it's been a couple of days of sideways. If you take a look at the daily time frame, look at this. Like, what is this? It's been sideways the whole time. So today there's gonna be a huge change for sure. Basically, if it dropped down, right now it's 2660. But if it dropped down, it's definitely gonna drop below 2630 for sure. And if it break out, then it's gonna go up above 2675. So these are the two key level here. 2675. You know what? Let's make this. There we go. So we have 2675, and we have right here at around 2630. So this is gonna be our two key level here to see which way it will drop. But for now, we're waiting. We're waiting to see which way it will drop to. And no matter which way, we are going to follow. At least it's gonna reach this previous high or previous low. So 50-50 chance right before the news. After the news, it definitely gonna go to those two level. And if there was a pullback, then we will have an opportunity to actually sell it really fast or buy it really fast here. And if it break out, I am going to wait for the pullbacks for a breakout trade. Possibly, here's the thing, possibly break out, retest, and buy. That's one way to go. Or it could come down really hard, have a little bit of bounce, and break, and then resell here. No matter where the price go, we will follow. That's our motto for today. That's the theme for today. We don't know what's gonna happen, but it seems like this will be what we will do at the moment. And for now, let's just relax, enjoy the music, and we'll wait for another 7 minutes. So let's go. Yep, no order in so far. We still haven't had any order at all. Although I'm really tempted to actually sell right before the news, but you know what? It is gonna be risky, and I don't like to do that again. Yeah, but so far right now it looks really good though. Not gonna lie, not gonna lie, looks really good for a sell. Let me check my 5 minutes time frame. Yep, staying under 15 minutes. Right on the edge. 30 minutes is going a little bit above. Hour, oh man, everything just right in the middle. The only thing is I'm waiting for day pull back right here. It's really due to pullbacks down to like 2450, 24, yeah, 2450 here. So if it is a pullback on the daily chart, that's gonna be a huge way down. 2450, that's around 20,000 points. Man, that would be the dream. Catch the wave at the beginning and then run it through about 25,000 points. Yeah, you put it on like even one lot would be 20 grand in what, like maybe a couple months? Yeah, I wish I could have that. But for now, we just wait for the price to react in 5 minutes. By the way, guys, if the price is not going according to plan, if there's no price pattern that I recognize and like, I am definitely not gonna play for today. However, this is non-farm, non-farm. From the way I see it right now, I can only sell. So maybe 5 minutes before the bell, I might play a little bit of a sell. Who knows? Gonna have to play really small though, because this one, oof. Telling you guys, this is gonna be the drop of the century because of how hard, how long it has been in consolidation. In about 4 minutes, let's wait for it. 3 minutes now. Just 3 minutes left. Anybody has an order? They have. Anybody has an order in already? I'm not. I might be playing slow motion or what? Who knows? Let's wait for it. I'm really aiming for a drop right now. Just aiming for it. It's good for a selling side for sure. 2 more minutes. Looks really good to sell right now. Really, really good. One more minute. Last minute here, guys. Last minute. Really want to see the reaction here. We have a plan. Let's see which way it takes. Right now it has been consolidating really good so far. Still not taking my trade yet, but I am more biased toward the low side right now. Thinking that in about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! Ooh, breakdown! Holy! Yeah, for those of you guys who sell before the news, Jesus Christ, this is gonna drop hard right now. It's already breaking 50 really hard right here, and possibly it's going to keep on breaking right now. Jesus Christ, it's going down 40. 40 right now. 40 right now. Alright, I'm just gonna wait for it to climb back up to about 50 here. So definitely gonna choke on the lower side. And that's definitely gonna be some bounce right here at around 35. Oh man, I just can't believe how hard it dropped right now. I know it's gonna drop hard, I just didn't know it's gonna drop like 2,000 points here. Jesus Christ. I couldn't believe it's gonna drop like 2,000 points here. Oh, that's gonna be... That's huge. Jesus. Alright, well, we really gotta be careful here because on the pullbacks here, we might not... Like, we'll wait for the pullbacks. That's definitely gonna be pullbacks, but at the 50, I would say that this is gonna be the pullbacks we're looking for. If it goes beyond 50, that would be a little too tough to actually engage in making a profit here. Damn, that's... Like I said, I'm more biased towards selling. And the reason is because it has been too high for too long that when the news came out, it's gonna drop hard. And look at the numbers right now. All green across the board. Jesus Christ. All green, all green. So we are aiming to sell right now. We definitely are selling right now. Not gonna sell right here. We're gonna wait for the pullbacks. No matter how much of a pullback that is, we are gonna sell all the way. Right now, we might actually have to play a follow sell. So, take a look. We are gonna play a follow sell. However, not too sure if I want to play a break of 40. I think we want to at least let it breathe a bit, come up to like 45. So let this price came up to at least 45 or even 50 before we start selling some more. Be patient. Don't sell just yet. We will have plenty. I'll say there's plenty of time to sell right today. So just be careful. Wait for the pullbacks here. Wait for the exhaust of all the people who take their profits right here. Wait for them to exhaust, and then there will be another wave of sellers coming in, possibly right here at 45. Jesus. It's not even. Oh my god. Okay. This is really good. My aim right now is at least to come down to 33. So right here would be almost like 1,000 points. But the point here is not the target that I'm worried about. The point here is the stop loss, that I don't want it to have any more than 200 points on the news play, and that's can be quite difficult. I might move up to like 400 points and just reduce my size to half, so it'll be 0.08. Yeah, keep on going. I want to see it reach like at least 2650. It should be able to reach that before it gonna decide to finally came down. This is my logic here, that it should at the very least go up to 50. Looks like that's the exhaustion right here. If it stay like that, I will kick off and start playing a sell right here. I don't want to miss this chance. Let's go, let's go, let's go. It's definitely gonna come down. It's just trying to find the best. Oh man, it dropped. It dropped already. It dropped already. I didn't get the chance. It dropped already. Let's see. It's a really strong rejection right here at 45, 46. Like it didn't even take the 47 out. It just came all the way down. Let's see. Let's see it go back and forth again. Can it actually pass 46 right here? If it cannot, I'm gonna take this position right here for first. Oh, never mind. I didn't get it. It's really hard to pinpoint the exact location right now because it didn't have enough pullbacks to actually place a sell here, and I only have like about 200 points of stop loss. That's very tight and dangerous. Just to show you how dangerous it is, it's like that much compared to how it, compared to how it dropped right now. It's very, very dangerous. I want to wait for at least going up to 50, but I might not get the chance. Here's 67. Can it break through? I'm taking a position right here at boom boom boom. Yeah, I'm taking position right here at 58.89 right here. Didn't quite catch the best wave, but I seen the price came down already, and I don't want to miss this chance of it coming down. I'm gonna have a stop loss right here. Actually, I am going to. Wow, it already dropped. Already reached my target. It's very fast. Very, very fast. I didn't even get time to record it. 1 second. Oh man. Didn't get to record it. Okay. I actually gonna take my trade right here at 45. I did took I hit a stop loss already. I hit a stop loss on this one already. I'm gonna trade again here right here at 45. This is playing with the news. I saw the 45 cannot pass. I'll take the trade at 44. Stop loss is going to be a little tight, too tight. I took the stop loss at 46 right now. I'm just going to wait for the drop. TP is going to be 500 points. Let's just wait for the drop right now. I take my position at 45. Sorry, 44. Not getting the best price so far, but I think that we're gonna see the drop right now. And if it can drop below 42, I'm gonna place the stop loss very tight here. Drop, come on, drop below 43, drop below 43, come on, drop below 43, yes, let's go, good, if this go up and hit my stop loss, I am going to retake it, because right now it's going to go down all the way, right here, 40, 41 right now, 41, good, let's see it break 40. I'm gonna put my stop loss at break even right now. Don't want after the break. I don't want to lose the trade. Just gonna carry it off, and it's not doing it. It's not doing it. I'm closing. I'm about to close the trade because it seems like it's been moving back right now. It's gonna move back right now. Here's the drop. Breaking 41. Breaking 41. Let's see it break 40. My stop loss is at break even right now. My stop loss is at break even right now. Let's see if I can break through 40 right here. Okay, it doesn't seem like it can. I'm gonna close this trade right at 40. Come on down. Oh, it can, it breaks, it breaks. Right here, I'm gonna put a stop loss really tight. If I lose, I'm gonna be hitting my stop loss at $25. Yeah, I don't think it's breaking yet. I don't think it's breaking yet. It's been here for too long. Oh, come on, come on. Come on, we would break down. We would break down. I'm actually waiting right here for the drop. Right now. No, it's not. It's not. It's not breaking now. It's not breaking now. Okay. I had my win at $30 so far, but it seems like I'm hitting my stop loss right now. I'm hitting my stop loss right now. I'm gonna re-enter again at a break of 40, but we might have to actually wait for the pullbacks. I have 2 trade in so far. Both are not breaking yet, so I'll wait for the pullbacks first before I'm starting to take another trade. So we actually have like 3 trade in so far. And here we go. It's gonna push up. If it break above 47, we're gonna wait at 50 here. They're gonna be leaving us with a really nice entry at around like 50. So let's pray that it came up all the way up, so that we can actually took this trade. Because I really want to have the price at 26.50. However, I'm not too sure if we're gonna get that. But so far right now we are at 33 bucks profit. So the worst that we're gonna do is gonna be at break even. To be honest, this is quite stressful. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's see it's break 47. I'm not gonna sell just yet. I know it's gonna be able to climb up at least touching that 50 before it start to come down again. So I'm not going to be in a rush to try and play a sell yet. But it seems like if this becomes a strong resistance, I might playing a sell right here. But it is very dangerous. I like to have a little bit more confirmation before I actually get into another trade. I like to have a little bit more confirmation. We did scalp it right here, a little bit here and there. This one is basically right at break even. This one we scalp for like 200 points. But I'm looking for a more confirmation, and then I am gonna make a judgment on how much we're going to put in my. Oh, it drops. It dropped at 45. Can't even break 45 right now. We are gonna sell all the way, guys. So if you guys can hold it, having a stop loss right at 60, having your money management ready, I think that we're gonna have a nice good time rolling down here. So stay with me, guys, and we are gonna wait for the pullbacks. And the pullbacks, this one not breaking yet, So this one already ended here. I'm going to wait for this path to happen where it can break, go up all the way, maybe leaving a topping tail at around 50, 51, 52, then drop hard right here again and breaks. So definitely my aim is still right at 33, possibly 31, and let's see if we're gonna get that. It's gonna be another 1,000 points, but we have to wait. We have to be patient, wait for the pullbacks. If you guys can't wait, if you guys wanna just play it, make sure that you have a stop loss way up here at around 58 or even 60. But if you guys can't wait, well, the drops already happened. Here we are. Here's the break at 41, right here. Let's see if we have another. I don't think we're gonna have another pullback here because this is a speed line and it's already breaking. This is a speed line already breaking on this candle. So I think we are definitely have to do a follow sell here. It's not yet. It's not yet. It's not breaking yet. Here we are, the break of 30. Let's wait for it to pull back to at least 41 or 42 and then leaving topping tail. Then we're going to be selling here. And I might miss my chances. Because this is a breakout play, I don't do breakout play. I wait for a confirmation and then play. You guys who play a breakout play definitely need to sell. It's gonna come all the way down to at least 33 before it bounce or do anything. So if you guys playing breakout, you guys need to sell right away. I am not. I am waiting for the pullbacks here. So if that is not pulling back, I am gonna wait for the pullbacks right here. Either way, I am still gonna wait for the pullbacks. Here we are. Let's see if the pullbacks happens. Kind of doubt a pullback will happen now. It can't even stay above 40 right here for the past two candles. So for those of you who dare to have like a really tight stop loss, it's not a high win rate, but this will go down fast and furious here. Boom, right here. That's the break of structure. Let's see if there's a momentum carrying on through. Not much momentum. Oh, here's the momentum. Oof, so close, so close. It's not quite a momentum that we're looking for yet. Oh, that's good. That's a relief, actually, because I'm waiting to get in on this trade, and if it break right away, it will be a breakout play. I'm not gonna be able to get any part of it in. So this is good that it is pulling back right now. I just want to see it pulling back enough, at least up to that 40-41. Um, for me, I'm not looking for 50 anymore. I'm looking to 40-41 right here. If it can just came up to 40-41 for me to actually have a good entry with a tight stop loss, then I'll be in this play. Or not. Doesn't look like I will give it that chance at all. Jesus, it just came down right now. Ooh, it break hard. It break really hard right here. Now it just sweet mother. Oh god. Didn't even have a pullback. Didn't even have a doji candle. That's the thing. Now it's just gonna come all the way down. Well, here's the resistance at around 33. Let's see if it can. If it break through right here, this is gonna be a really strong breakout, and I am gonna be losing on all these opportunities because I am playing a retest sell here. So let's go. Ooh, just came all the way down. Sell, 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 sell. Right here is at 33. Let's see if there's a bounce actually. Let's see if this is a bounce here. If it breaks through, this will be definitely gonna go to all the low here, because it's gonna go down to breaking 30, breaking 20, possibly going all the way down to 2600 just because of how it has been stretching for so long. Here it goes. Doesn't look like it can break anymore. We might have a pullback right here. A pullback of at least almost like 1,000 points. Jesus. Not looking forward to that. So that's definitely a bounce right here. I kind of want to see it break through right here. Would it be able to? Would it be able to break through? Looks really strong right now. Looks like it might be able to do it because of how strong the bear is right now. Because leaving this topping tail right here. Let's say it go up to 39. We might have a chance at around 39.40 to actually sell it. Gonna wait for 38. All right, let's go to 39. Let's go to 40. What do you say? 39, 40. What's going on? Are we gonna pull backs here? This is basically gonna be a retest of this speed line right here. Okay, come all the way to 42. Nice. Looks good, looks good, looks good so far. Okay, so here we are at 39 and cannot break. Cannot break 40. Now it jumped to 40. It didn't jump, it did jump to 40, just cannot break it. It looks like there's an exhausting string of the bulls already. The bull are losing strength. I'm tempted to actually sell right here, but the stop loss would be really tight at 40. That's a little too tight. I'll wait for it to go up to 39 to 40, touch 40 again. Might not get the chance though. Still aiming down all the way to 33. Oh, here we go. Here we go at 39. Gonna sell pretty soon right there. I don't think 40 will break. If 40 break, then I am going to be hitting a stop loss. 1 second. Let me just try to get in this order. Wait for it. Wait for 39. Oh, no, 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 no. I'm not getting that in that one. That was a huge spike, just pushing 40. So I am going to wait for a little bit more. Because that's a huge spike that it just pushes to 39, and right now I'm gonna wait to see if it can actually break 40. If it cannot and came down, I gotta get sell at 39, but not until I know that it wants to come down. Yeah, right now I think we might want to wait for a true pullback at around 46. Let's let it go up. I'm not placing any order yet. Let it go up. Let it just fly up all the way. Let it just fly up all the way. Right now it's at 41, 42. Can't believe how fast it's dropping right here. We are still going to aim to sell. I just want to see a nice reaction to break 40 right now. Looks like it's about to exhaust its strength. Let's wait for the bull to exhaust its strength, then we'll get in. Looks like we'll still have some hidden move up there. So we are gonna wait for the true exhaustion at maybe around 45. I feel like 45 would be a really good play here. or not. Might have a flip SR right here at 41. You need to break 40. If it's not breaking, then it's gonna go right back up. I'm waiting. It's not about just knowing the direction when you are playing in this market. It's about the risk reward. You're gonna write more than half the time for sure, but you also want to be prepared the 20 or 30% that you're not right on. How are you gonna be cutting your losses? What's your point of exit? So that's something you always need to consider when you're playing in the stock market or forex or any other tradings, because you like it's really easy to make money in this market, but also it's really easy to lose money as well. The point being is that you need to uh, juggle between making money and not losing money. That's the key here in order to survive in the market. Right now, good, 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 good. Right now, you come back all the way to 43. I know there's gonna be a bounce. I just didn't know it's gonna be this huge of a bounce. This is like 33 up to 43. That's a 1,000 point bounce. Here's the short signal. I'm gonna wait for the reversal candle, but I think this is as good as any. And I'm going to took my trade right here, 43. I am in at 43. So I am in at 43 right now. I am placing my trade at 43 right now. 200 point stop loss, and I want at least coming down here to the low, gaining at least 350 points here. But oh, it break up really hard right now. Would come down. I'm gonna wait for the finish of the candle before I'll place my stop loss in. Okay. My 30 buck is gone. I'll wait for the finish of the candle to see if it can come down. If not, then I have to recover right here. Do a recovery. That's why I'm saying that the playing with the deals is very dangerous. And right now I am actually going a little bit over my stop loss point. I'm just gonna wait for it to come down and possibly hit a stop on that. Wow, that's a V-shaped recovery now. This has become a V-shaped recovery now. So a selling might not be the best idea. Uh-oh. Here we are again at 45. It's still hitting that resistance line right here at 47. Here comes another short. I'm gonna took the trade here. Have like a 400 point of stop loss. But that means I'm gonna be out like $60 if I were to be wrong on this one. That's not the best play. Trust me, that's not how you should play it. Alright, I'll wait for it. I'll wait for it. Let's see if the drop will happen soon here. If not, I'm gonna be losing a lot for today. I just get in at 43 where I should have wait for the previous high here, and it just keep going up right now. I'll wait for 50. I think the next resistance is gonna be at 50 right here, because right now it's not stopping. It's not stopping until it's gonna reach 50. And when it actually, this is my mistake. When it came back to 45, I should have taken my stop loss. And right here, I could have taken it again at 50 right here. So here's what's happening so far. I am stuck at the sell of 43. I should have placed my stop loss at 45. The thing just went too quick, and I didn't have my mind is not right to actually cut loss at that time. I should be more auto on how I selling this, but that's fine. I am going to wait for the drop right here, because in an overall market right now, I'm still looking to sell. I'm just waiting to see if it go past it. I'm gonna be losing a lot of money. And right now, I want to keep my losses low and earnings high. So the potential downplay right now is about $130. That's a lot. That's a lot. Minus my 30 that I made this early in the session. That means I will be out about $100. So the correct way to play this would be to actually hit my stop loss and place another sell right here. That would be a much better way to play. But right now, I am actually holding this position still. So let's wait for it. Like here's the thing. If I were to be stop loss right here and sell another here, I would have gained another 500 points just so to let it go back to normal. And that's something that always reminded me of how I should be played. But you know what? This one I let my emotion get the better of me. I'm not gonna let it happen again, but let's wait for this one to actually come down to 43, and possibly we would take a target at 41, because it seems like the more I play right now, I might just get into the revenge play here. But so far looks good. We wait for a drop, and I think it possibly can break down 40 again, coming down all the way to 43. So let's see what happens here. I'm actually interested in when it actually break 33. 43. When it break 43, will it stay down or will it bounce at 43 right here? Because that is psychology. That is one of the key level where I decided to actually play, and I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one. So let's see the reaction at 43. Might bounce. If it bounce, I have to quickly close it, because I am losing too much money if I were to let it bounce and go all the way back up, especially if it go back up above 50. Let me just take a look at the 1 hour time frame right now. Yep, that's the recovery. Still, it broke down on a 1 hour chart, and I think that we are aiming to hit that 50 and breaking down. Everything else looks like it's breaking down really beautifully. Yep. Seems like it's just coming up for a retest. and we are selling. We are on selling all the way here. Everybody gonna look too short right now. But I may be a little too biased on my shot play. Cannot break 50 right here. Oh, speaking of the devil, it did break 50. If it break 50 and break all the way to right now, the key level here would be around 53. For what I see, the key level for the stop loss would be around 53. But because I'm holding since the 43, I'm actually 1,000 points of stop loss, and that doesn't win well. Right now, 50 cannot pass. The 2650 cannot be passed. So let's see if there is going to be a drop coming in. I'm still not seeing a sign that there will be a drop yet. Just seeing that there is a tough resistance right here that it cannot pass at 50 doesn't mean that it will come down. It might just consolidating here before it break out as well. So I need to be prepared for that, and I am putting my hard stop right now at 2653. I'm putting on my hard stop right now just because if it does break, I definitely don't want to be losing too much money, and if I break, I might have to try to get back at it again today for a sell right after it break coming down for sure. But right now looks good that it cannot break 50, so see if it can come down. And by the way, this is a mid-seg play. I should have stop loss right here at like right here at 32. I let the graph, I let my emotion get the better of me. So right now I have this one position where I have a stop loss of about 1,000 points. And let's see if it can came down to my target at 2643. Here it is, breaking 49. News is always fast. It's always fast, and you really gotta be quick to adapt to it. And when you are playing news, I'm not suggesting for a lot of new players out there because you don't know what's like. You will have to always be prepared to cut because if let's say that that was the low of the day at 33, it might just swinging around here around 40 for the whole day, and today is Friday as well, might not have enough volume even though it's non-farm payroll, or it could go all the way up the other way around and we'll be losing money as well. So like I said, anything could happen, and you definitely don't want to caught on the wrong side. Just like I am now, I am basically having an actual stop loss right now, but I could have played better, way better, that I'm gonna be gaining at least $100 today. But for today, I think I was just gonna be happy to get back at break even. Let's see right here, breaking of 46. 47. If it can break 47, that would be coming down really, really good right now. Might be breaking 43 all the way to 40, and I will gain some money and be done for the day. But if it doesn't, if it come down to 45 and bounce, then I will be trying to play having a stop loss that I didn't lose too much. Then I will try to play another play. But so far right now, looks like it's gonna stay above 47. Like when you actually make this kind of mistake, try your hardest to keep your cool, and also be prepared for the worst. And right here, right now, the worst is I'm gonna be hitting off with 160 bucks, which gonna set my plan all the way back, basically for at least a couple weeks. And that's why I'm saying the live trading session here would be more like a challenge for me, because like I need to um, be here on stage and try to keep my emotion intact, play by the rule as much as possible, and also never try to double my position size, and just be prepared of the worst case and the risk when I don't follow my plan. So that's basically what I have to deal with right now. And so far, it is hitting 50 again. Doesn't look like it can break 50. Doesn't look to me like it can break 50, but it is. So just wait for the break. If it can break 46 coming down, I'll be more relieved, and I'll be thank well, basically thank God that I get a nice recover. So, and I will have to make down that I will not do this again. When I, when it 200 stop loss would be 200 stop loss. Don't try to be cute and I'm just gonna put stop loss in later, because like when the time comes, when you didn't put stop loss in, you're not getting a stop loss, and it just now I have potential of hitting a stop loss of about 1,000 points. So right now, waiting to see if I am gonna get that coming down. This is a mistake play. Stop loss of 1,000 points. That's a mistake play. I would try to get at least coming down to 40 and like 40, 41. And this is not a really. This is not the way to play it. This is not the list of what you should be looking for. However, right now it's almost like I'm playing at the sell of 2650 and having another stop loss at like 300 points. So right now, let's wait. Let's wait to see the drop at 48. I'm not double my play, definitely. Like some people might say like, oh, I just gonna sell again, and then when it came down halfway, then I close both, and then I would break even. Yeah, you could do that, and I am tempted to do that. However, here's the thing about doubling your position sizes is that you are actually doubling the risk as well. So right now my risk is 160, but if I put in another trade right here, I would be risking another $60, which I am not comfortable with, to losing 220. If I'm losing 160, hey, maybe take me like a week or two to recover it back. But like sometimes it might be even a day. But if I were to lose 220, it might take at least a week, a couple weeks, or even a month, and that's not something I'm okay with. You always need to look over the risk and not the rewards. Like the rewards would be when you actually double your sizes, is that your reward would be that you will get that good price and you will get out at break even sooner. Or possibly, if it came down all the way to your original entry, it could be that you get away with murder, basically. So don't let that be something that you are comfortable with, because like um, your original lot size should be the only lot size to play throughout the day, and to doubling that would be um, like you will get away with it at least 80-90% of the time, and then if you hit at one time that you can't get away with it, get out with like $500 loss and then you'll be like, what happened? Why am I losing half my account? And that's not what I like to happen here. So right here, 47 again didn't break. Right now it doesn't look good. Right now I'm thinking that it might even go up if it cannot break 47 right here. So let's wait to see if that is a momentum to actually break 47. But if not, I will be prepared for the worst, where I lose $160 on this trade, and with the 30 bucks I made this earlier in this session, I will be out $130, and that's a huge loss, a huge losing day. Set me back um, at least a couple weeks. So let's just see if my intuition is right that it's gonna come down, and if it does, then I will be here we are. If it did come down to 43, I'll be basically get away with murder. Yep, no, it's not. It's breaking 50 right now. It's about to break 50 right now. It is breaking 50 right now. And like I said, I'm gonna have to be prepared for the worst here. I'm not gonna place another sell because I know what it will do. But let's see. Okay, it bounced from 50 really hard right now. Maybe if it can break 47 this time, maybe I will have a chance to recover. But so far, doesn't look too good. Let's see if the number is revised here. Like sometimes the number revised, and nope, the number is not revised. So we should still have a strong momentum coming down, but might not be on this one. Right, it stay above 50 right now, leaving a bottoming tail as well. So with this, I think we are going to be losing money on this trade. Yep, already break, hitting my stop loss, and hitting it. Yep, it hit my stop loss. I'm actually out 130 bucks. However, I am looking to get in again today, but right now it is looks like it's gonna be a V-shaped recovery. And this is some of the things here in the lesson that I am trying to teach you guys, that I am still human. No matter how much knowledge I have, I still couldn't stop loss at 200 points in 2 minutes. It just went a little too quick on me. I might jump the gun a little too fast, and that's the lesson I learned. So let's wait. Maybe it will bounce here at 2660, and we might have another chance to actually sell it. But right now, doesn't look good. So that's one trade down. And see, if we were to double the trade, let's say sell here, and it didn't come down like this. Let's say it didn't come down to break even, and it go up all the way. What do you think gonna happen? You're gonna be out $220. Possibly you're gonna be out even more because you're not gonna hit the stop loss and let it flow all the way up, possibly hitting that 2660, and then you'll be like, your account can't handle it, blow your account, and you'll be left wondering why. Right now, I actually out quite a bit, basically 130 bucks. But let's see if it can come down to break 50 again, because if it did come down to break 50 again, I'm not afraid to get in on the trade again. Actually, now it's a good time as any. the signal short, and all right, here we go. Another trade in, 200 point of stop loss, and I want this one to drop all the way down to recover my losses right here. Already placed a trade, selling right here at 42. I'm selling it at 42 right here because of the short signal, and it doesn't seem like it is a flip, like go up spike to actually um, hitting a lot of people's stop loss, and I want to have my target all the way down. At least first target would be at 40, next target would be at 35. Let's see if I can actually get 1,000 point of drop right here. Are we playing really carefully right now? Let's see. Okay, perfect. Now it's the drop that is breaking 50. I am put the stop loss at break even. Try to be really careful here because if it if it's not a clean break, then oh, right here, that's a clean break. Good, good, good. So playing during the news, you really have to be really fast to adapt to it. And a tight stop loss is a must. However, you need to be a little bit more dynamic as well, but don't be hesitant to actually closing the trade when it truly doesn't go your way like this one is. It doesn't seem like it's gonna go your way. You could hold it, but then again, you'll be lying to yourself, and if it keeps going up and up and up, you won't have any stop loss in at all. Now, this one, I am still aiming for the drop to happen at 2650. It's already came down 200 points right now. Let's see if it can come down at least 1,000 point here, because we already hit 1,000 point. This one I'm aiming for at least like 1,500 points. So let's go. Here we are at 48. Nope, denied. So right here, it denied. It didn't. It basically held this speed line. Gonna hit my stop loss at break even. It is hitting my stop loss at break even. Today might not be my day to actually place a sell right now, because it hit my stop loss at break even and it's staying above the turtle line. Doesn't hold it as good. I'm still gonna stay here until the end of the day. Basically because there's still a lot of volume. I just need to make sure that the volume wants to go up and not coming down, because if it come down again, I'm gonna be selling again. I'm not hesitate to actually sell again if it leaving a topping tail here, but I'm gonna have to wait for the finish of the candle. Coming down, need to break 51. It cannot break 51. Yeah, it has a lot of reaction here at the turtle line. So I think that it could possibly go up a lot longer. Right now, unless it actually breaks 51 really hard, I am going to. Unless it can break 51 really hard, I am not going to sell yet. Let's see, break below 51. Brakes. Need to be clean brakes. It's not a clean brake. It's not a clean brake yet. Yep. Suck it all the way back up, so it might stay above the turn line right now. Let it go up back a bit. Let it go back up a bit. Here we are. Here we are at 50. We would be able to brake this time. No, it cannot brake. It cannot brake. So I'm not selling yet. Oh, leaving a bottom toppling tail now. I'm selling right here. I'm selling right here. I'm selling again at 50 right here. At the break, stop loss at 52. It's not breaking. It's not breaking. That's not good. I'm gonna hit a lot of stop loss here if I keep doing this. I should wait for a much clearer trend right now instead of trying to sell on the breaks out every time on the break of 50, because right now still doesn't seem like it's clear trend that it wants to come down. But I already entered the trade, so let's finger cross. Wait for the break of 50. Here we are, break of 50. That's good. Came down now. Couldn't get a clean break. I'm gonna take my target point off for now. Let's see it break below 49 right here. This is gonna be the drop. I'm still aiming at 30. So possibly came down from this like about at least to like 1,000 point, possibly 2,000 point. That's my aim. I think today we're gonna finish at around 2630 or 2620. So that's why I am holding my position in right now and trying. Even though I have like, you know, a few stop loss in already, I am aiming for a huge win here. And that's why I'm stand to losing a few times. No, it's not breaking. This is very, very frustrating. It hit my stop loss because it didn't break here. It didn't break 50. I'm gonna have to wait for it to truly break before I took another trade. Leaving me bottoming tail right now. That's not good. I'm basically out $160 today. This 2650 is really frustrating. We would go up, we would go down, I'm not too sure now. When it's obvious, it will be obvious. And right now we're trying to play a guessing game, and we might get hit quite a lot here if it doesn't choose its direction. Oh, here we go at 52. Leaving a bottoming tail, so it might choose to go up right now. Yep, especially if it go up. Yep, past 34, 54 now. Cannot break it. It just hit 54, leaving a huge topping tail right now at the previous high of this candle as well. I'll wait for everything to finish right now because it seems like it's just sliding up. It's sliding up, not trying to break down. So if it's sliding up, not trying to break down, I see the more potential that it's gonna go up first before it came down. Oh, I see a reaction right here. Oh, huge reaction both way. Huge reaction both way here. I'll wait for the dust to settle first before I take another trade. Right now, could go both way. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it yet. It's not obvious yet. There's still a lot of reason that it could go up. Unless it actually break 51 right here and breaking hard to 50. Oh, right here. Right here. That's the reaction I want. Now I can be confident at 52 for the stop loss. Oh, come on. I just saw this reaction right here that it's gonna break, and then I'm selling it right now. Oh, don't tell me. Don't tell me it's not breaking 50. It's not breaking 50. It just touches it and then it's... I should wait for at least 49.5 for the breakout here. But let's see if my early trade will reward me if it did break. It did break! Alright, let's see. Let's see if it breaks 50 right now. I'm still aiming for it to come all the way down. If it breaks 50, leaving top bottoming tail now at 50, so I think we possibly gonna go up now. Very likely that we're gonna go up now if it cannot break 50. So it has to break 50 in order for us to make money here. It needs to break this one. It needs to break 50 this one and break hard too. Because my aim is to go all the way down to 35. Here we go. Breaking 50. Here's the reaction right now. So I already placed a trade here right at 50. Right exact at 50. Sorry, 50.5. But that doesn't give me a lot of room here, and I have to I could not put a stop loss at 52.5. That's a little too close. My logic would be stop loss at 53.5, which is a little too much for my stop loss. However, if I'm done with this trade, I might have to be done in another 14 minutes. It will change the hour to 9 p.m. and let's see if at 9 p.m. there's a break at that time. Doesn't look like 50 wants a break here. And if 50 cannot be breaking, I am going to be out quite a lot. I have to play double size, so that's 400 points. This is the first time I'm playing the news with you guys in a live trade. Yesterday was with Ajahn Phone, which he's very confident in his trade during the news. I like to play it after the news, but my analysis is always the same. So right here, that's my stop loss. I should just finish it because it cannot come down. Now it's staying above both the 50 and above the internal line. Let's wait for the close of the candle. For the next two candle, if it can come close down below 50 again. Okay, here we go. Right here, breaking down below 50. Perfect. Need to stay below 50 though, this one. This one needs to stay below 50 though. It cannot stay below 50. Come on, come on, come on. Let me just take a look at other time frame right now. At that time frame, it's the same thing. It looks like it's gonna come down. Very basically bounce at the half hour, 1 hour. I am aiming for sell all the way right now. I'm very biased on the sell right here. Because even on a 1 minute chart, 5 minute chart, 15 minute chart, every single chart out there telling me that they want to sell. Might have to hit a stop loss first a few times, but it definitely is a selling pressure. There's no other way to look at it unless it's actually breaking up really hard right here. But I don't see any reason to actually buy at all. So that's why I am actually taking in huge position, trying to win on this trade for the selling side. but whatever the market does, whichever way the market whichever way the market goes, we will just have to follow. That's that's the only rule here. In order to make money, we just have to follow the market. Here we are again at 50. The only thing I see that is good right now is that it had a lower high all the way. Doesn't seem like it can break above. So here we are. That's a break. $49 now. If you're gonna add a trade, make sure that it broke already and then you have a stop loss at the previous entry. So then you're gonna have a new entry where your stop loss is gonna be at break even. And this is what I'm gonna do right now. Just make sure, because it already is coming down, just need to make sure that it dropped below 49 cleanly. If it can drop below 49 cleanly, I am gonna take another trade. Or not. Nope, it doesn't break 49 cleanly. Need to drop right away, all the way down. If not, this is still gonna be a dangerous play right here. Can took me out at any moment. Don't get too comfortable. Yep, coming back up, right above 50 again. Like I said, I am looking at sell all the way, but doesn't look like I'm gonna have a chance here. To be honest, I can't possibly see it going up, but if it goes up, it's gonna hit my stop loss and I'm gonna be done with this trade. Gonna be done with the day with like more than $200 loss. Trying to recover my initial loss. Hit it. That's it. I am $220 out. So I think that's the max I could stay possibly losing today. And it already break a break of structure. It already tell me that it want to change shift to becoming a buying play. Maybe retest back at around 60 again before it come down again. So today was a huge loss where I am too confident on selling right here that didn't make a mistake of not hitting that 200 point stop loss. And then I tried to sell too many times here, once, twice, 3 times, and this third time right here I put stop loss way too much, getting in at the break of 50, and it doesn't going according to plan. So that's the lesson here for today, you guys. I am losing $220, and that is not a pretty play. So if you guys want to keep on stick around to my channel, seeing how I will be able to recover the next day, stay tuned. And you guys have a profitable day. Bye, guys.